You will never believe that WAEC students always miss this algebra step. It looks very simple, but a lot of students have actually missed this particular step in their exams. So let's watch out for this. Now this can actually make you lose some marks. So we say stop losing marks in algebra. You don't have to lose marks that you're actually supposed to get because of some slight kind of mistakes that students make. Now let's look at some of the WAEC exam focus. Students keep expansion steps, and today you will master it, and that will be done very fast. So the algebra step student miss, let's look at it. Now look at this very simple algebraic equation. 3 bracket x plus 2 equal to 15. What would you do if you had to handle this? Some of you will do this. 3x plus 2 is equal to 15. Something has actually gone wrong with this. Take a look at it, you can see it. And this is what you're supposed to do. 3x plus 6 is equal to 15. Meaning you should have multiplied the content of the bracket by the 3. So you're supposed to have 3x. And where is it coming from? 3 times 2x gives you 3x. Then 3 times 2 gives you 6. So this is what you're supposed to have. 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times 2 is supposed to be 6. And not what we have here. And let's look at this also. Now let's take this example step by step. So we have 3 bracket x plus 2 minus 3 bracket 2x minus 3 to be equal to 15. Look at what so many students will do. A lot of students will do this. Look at it yourself. Don't you think you also do this? 3x plus 6 minus 6x minus 9 equal to 15. Don't you think you also do this? But this is what you're supposed to do. It's going to be 3x plus 6 minus 6x plus 9. Where is it coming from? Here, you're supposed to say minus 3 times 2x, and that will give you minus 6x. And you're supposed to also say minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, and that will give you plus 9. So, that is exactly what you're supposed to do. Now, we can simply solve this completely. So, what do? We simply color like terms. And I know from this point you'll be able to find a way around it. And that is just it. Alright. Now let's look at this also. This is 2 bracket 2x minus 5 equal to 14. What would you do? It's going to say 4x minus 10 equal to 14. Meaning you're going to multiply the whole of this bracket by the 2 you have outside. So we're going to say 2 times 2x. That will give you 4x. Then 2 times 2 will give you 5. Causing any positive sign, that will make it because it is positive 10. You're going to have 14 plus 10. Alright, why max out? People skip step. 4 bracket expansion. The rough auto have to expand our bracket. We need to consider every single operator to find any bracket. No checking of answers. Some don't even bother to check. You can always verify, really see whichever answer you have is true in a given equation. You can test the given equation, whichever answer you get. Now, let's look at some WAEC example. Expand function. Walk line by line. Locate line by line. Provide your final answer. Always do that. That will really help us mathematics to see that this is what your final answer is. And this is your turn. You're going to solve this. You can write a comment by simply putting the answers. Just write a comment on this video by putting down your answers. What would your answer be for number 1? What would your answer be